Shravan and today I'm going to be having a conversation with the super talented Neil Nitin Mukesh in the house. How are you doing?
Very well, my friend.
It's been a while.
It has been a while.
It's been a while. I'm chatting with this person here. Neil, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back in time.
Awesome.
Okay, and then we'll build the conversation.
Lovely.
So let's begin with you are a child artist also.
Right.
Yeah. What is your first memory of cinema? Cinema that you vividly remember.
So for me, cinema started at a very young age, actually. I was, what about, maybe 2 or 3 when I was exposed to films.
Uh-huh.
I used to be very close to my grandmother.
Uh-huh.
She unfortunately is in body not anymore with us. Her spirit, her soul still very dear to and very close to all of us. We feel that she's still there. But she would stay on the 7th floor
Okay.
and we on the 1st floor.
Okay.
And every weekend from school was with Badi Mamma. We used to call
Okay.
her with love, we used to call her Badi Mamma. So our Dadi, my sister and I would go and stay with her. And then she introduced us to Raj Kapoor ji's films. Because back in the days, there was DD,
Yeah.
and there was probably just Ramayan that comes on a Friday morning,
Yeah.
on a Saturday and a Sunday morning. And so that was the only entertainment that we really
New.
knew of at that very young age,
Absolutely.
and I'm talking about the 80s, early
Yeah.
80s. She introduced us to the cinema of Raj Uncle. So from films like Anadi, Boot Polish, Mera Naam Joker, Dharam Karam, you name all of them, Sangam. So that has been my filmography. That's been my Bible. I've learned films from there. That's been आई वॉज इन ऑफ दैट. तो फिर जब 4 साल की उम्र पे यश चोपड़ा जी ने मेरे पिताजी से कहा कि मैं नील को एक फिल्म में लेना चाहता हूँ, और मैंने किरदार किया जूनियर ऋषि कपूर जी का इन द फिल्म विजय. उसमें मुझे एक गाने का लिपसिंग करना पड़ा, अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे हो 80-90 पूरे सो वो गाना था अनुपम खेर जी के साथ, जो मेरे दादाजी का किरदार निभा रहे हैं उस फिल्म में. राजेश खन्ना जी मेरे पिताजी, हेमा मालिनी जी मेरी माँ, और मैं जूनियर ऋषि कपूर का किरदार निभा रहा हूँ. तो जब सेट पे पहुँचा और ये गाना सीखा और मुझे कहा गया कि यश अंकल ने कहा कि बस बेटा अपने होठ हिलाओ,
हाँ.
तब एहसास हुआ मुझे कि
how it actually happens.
अच्छा ये प्रोसेस है. मैं राज कपूर जी का काम कर रहा हूँ, जो आवाज़ के ऊपर मैं अपने होठ हिला रहा हूँ, मेरे दादाजी वो करते हैं. तो मेरे पिताजी भी यही करते हैं. तब एहसास हुआ.
Okay.
तो बॉम्बे गया वापस और अपनी दादी से कहा मैंने, मेरा मोस्ट फेवरेट गाना मेरे दादाजी का आज भी शायद उनके इतने मेरे पसंदीदा गीत हैं उनके, बट उन सब में से एक शायद जो गाना मुझे बेहद ही मेरे दिल के बड़े करीब है, वो है धर्म करम का गाना, एक दिन दिख जाएगा.
Yeah.
तो मैंने दादी से कहा कि आप एक दिन बिक जाएगा गाना लगाओ, मैं अपने होठ हिलाऊंगा. तब एहसास हुआ कि
How it
तो
happens.
ये है.
Damn.
और शायद इतनी कम उम्र में तब से ठान लिया था, अगर भगवान चाहे आगे जाके बस यही
करना है. Wow, that's such an inspiring story. But listen, you spoke about your first time on the set. So there was Rajesh Khanna, then there was Anupam Kher, there was Hema Malini. ठीक है? Back in that time, you technically are on a set of all superstars.
Yeah.
Did you know back then कि यार these are like
So I was literally a filmy कीड़ा since a very young
बचपन,
age.
हाँ.
जैसे अभी आपसे मैंने कहा राजेश खन्ना जी सुपरस्टार हमारे उस दौर के भी, तो उनके साथ जब काम करने का मौका मिला तो इंस्टेंटली मालूम था कि मैं किसके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ.
So you knew.
100%.
Okay.
हेमा मालिनी जी, शोले किसने नहीं देखी,
Yeah.
और कितनी बार नहीं देखी होगी,
Yeah.
है ना. तो ऑब्वियसली कि हेमा जी जब देखी तो मालूम था कि अच्छा ये.
Were you awestruck?
I was, see, listen, I was of course mesmerized with the whole ambience of filmmaking, and of course my superstar co-actors, I might want to call
Yeah.
them, on set. But they are legends. They were living.
Absolutely.
They are living legends. But at a very young age, I had not a chip on my shoulder, but I was very proud to be my grandfather's grandson.
Yeah.
And I realized that because I used to get a lot of attention as a child, being his grandson.
In school
my,
also.
yeah, and my father's son.
Oh.
And because of that, I knew that there was an X factor. But I, either या तो मैं अपने आप को बिगाड़ देता इस सोच से, बट मैंने उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी
At a very young age.
बहुत कम उम्र में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी शुरू की कि दिस इज नॉट अ प्रिविलेज, दिस इज एन ऑनर.
Yeah.
बट आई न्यू कि आई एम नॉट ऑन अ नॉर्मल फिल्म सेट.
Yeah, it's not a picnic.
This was big. Vijay was a big opus mega film. It was
Yeah.
a big cast coming together.
Yeah. I remember there's this film that was about to release, and you were headline in each newspaper. The film I'm talking about is Jail,
Ah,
and you had gone nude for it, for a
yeah.
scene.
I had a
And
frontal. It was the
and
first time.
first time somebody
that
did it in
male, any
yeah,
male
exactly.
actor did it.
And everybody spoke about it, and I'm like, it's gutsy of a leading actor to do something like this.
Yeah.
And I remember reading it, and I'm like, what? So okay, let's break it down. Of course, you knew it on the script that this is gonna happen.
Yeah.
Were you mentally prepared for it?
Well, I chose to do that film because I had to challenge myself.
Hmm.
And I can never thank Madhur Bhandarkar ji enough
Yeah.
to have given me that opportunity. I'm so grateful that as a director, who does that?
Yeah.
Madhur didn't flinch an eyelid for a second. He said, Neil, I'm going to go through the linear process with you. We'll go linear so that you'll learn it on a daily basis. और ये ना मधुर ने और ना मैंने headlines के लिए ये
You didn't do it for the
ना
headlines.
ना
Okay.
ये जर्नी है.
Yeah.
ये characters इस चीज से गुजरते हैं.
But were you intimidated?
Who wouldn't be?
Yeah.
My mother and my father read the article and they called me up, and my father was almost in shock. My mother was like, Neil, there's this article. I don't know how there's one image that's gotten leaked out, and I had to pacify them. They were so. See, my mother and father are very simple people. They come from a very simple upbringing.
Yeah.
They are as middle class, grounded, beautiful human beings with great cultures and values.
Yeah.
Of course, my father is a part of the industry. He's been an assistant director to Rishikesh Mukherjee, and he knows filmmaking.
Yeah.
So he is slightly more stronger about understanding the
How,
rooting
what,
of an
yeah.
actor. My mother's slightly not as. But eventually, they are all parents.
Humans. And parents.
And they are human beings.
Yeah.
तो माँ बाप हैं, तो अगर अपने बच्चे को इस रूप में देखा और पहले तो उन्हें डर लगा कि भाई हुआ क्या है,
Yeah.
तो मुझे उन्हें कन्विंस करना पड़ा कि आप डरिए मत, ये मेरी फिल्म का एक सीन का हिस्सा है, वो पता नहीं वो कहाँ से ये फोटोग्राफ जो है बाहर निकल गया. There's a message there.
Yeah.
The actor has taken up this as a challenge, so people respected that.
Yeah.
अब उसके बाद आई थिंक उसके आसपास शायद मेरी एक और फिल्म भी आई थी न्यूयॉर्क.
Yeah.
सो उसमें भी जॉन का
It goes through something very
goes
similar.
through similar, but it wasn't
That much.
that much.
Yeah.
So, but it was done very tastefully. Why? Because again, Kabir Khan handled it very gracefully.
Yeah.
उसके बाद मैंने आर्टिकल्स पढ़े हैं कि कोई एक्टर न्यूड हो रहा है, बट नेकेड शॉट है. See, I am not averse about being shy about your body. It's human, na? And the anatomy is something that we've all studied.
Yeah.
So it's not that. आप किस टेस्ट में आप अपने दर्शक तक क्या चीज पहुंचा रहे हो,
Which is very
बहुत
important.
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Which is
क्योंकि
very important.
माफ कीजिएगा, मैं हिंदुस्तान में हूँ
Yeah.
और मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ और उसका गर्व महसूस करता हूँ. मैं चाहे वो टिटलेशन हो, चाहे जो भी, मैं सिर्फ मैं अपनी सभ्यता भूल नहीं सकता. माफ कीजिए,
Yeah.
मेरी परवरिश बड़ी अलग है, और मेरे घर में जो हम माँ बाप को इज्जत देते हैं, अपनी बेटी, अपनी बीवी, बच्चियों को, अपने भाई बहनों को जिस किस्म से हम रखते हैं, उस स्कीम ऑफ थिंग्स में मैं ये नहीं देखता. इट डजंट कम इन देयर.
Makes sense.
तो हाँ, करना पड़ा क्योंकि मेरी रोजी रोटी भी वहीं से आती है,
Yeah.
और किरदार ऐसा मैंने चुन लिया था अब जब मैं देखता हूँ कि कुछ नए लोग कर रहे होते हैं ये, तो मैं हंसता हूँ. You know, I'm sorry, Shravan. I'm without sounding immodest. I mean, I've taken up challenges at a very young age. मेरी पहली फिल्म ही चैलेंज थी, जॉनी गद्दार.
Yeah.
बहुत बड़ी चैलेंज थी. I was offered a love story, and I was offered Johnny Gaddar, and I chose to do Johnny Gaddar because I knew कि अच्छा मेरे पास एक मौका है.
Okay, because you said this, I want to ask you that do you think your journey would have been different if you selected that love story?
100%. I'm writing it and giving it to you. Because yeah, अगर वो
Did that get made eventually?
100% and a very big hit. Very big hit also.
Okay, give
Yeah.
hints.
I'll tell you the film. Na? I mean, I was given Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na and Johnny Gaddar, two scripts on the same day by Jhamu Suganji. And it's not like I chose Johnny Gaddar over Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na. Wrong. I will never say that. I loved both the films.
Yeah.
Abbas Tayarwala, outstanding, a genius. I would be a fool not to work with him.
Yeah.
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैंने उसको रिजेक्ट किया या सिलेक्ट नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा कि मेरा दिल जो है ये कह रहा था कि जॉनी गद्दार शायद मेरे लिए ज्यादा सही फिल्म होगी एज अ डेब्यू. तो मुझे ऑडिशन दोनों के लिए करना पड़ा.
Oh, you auditioned also for
दोनों
it?
के लिए.
It wasn't like, अच्छा, Neil, we're making a film. Come.
नहीं तो झामू जी ने मुझसे कहा कि तुम्हें कौन सी फिल्म अच्छी लगी.
हाँ.
दोनों ही अच्छी लगी थी. पर मुझे मालूम था कि अगर मैंने जाने तू या जाने ना कर ली तो यार ये एक लव स्टोरी है और फिर मुझे यही डायरेक्शन में जाना पड़ेगा. और क्या पता कि आगे जाके लव स्टोरी से मुझे और काम मिलेगा, क्योंकि कंपटीशन बहुत बड़ा था उस समय.
Yeah.
रणबीर कपूर आ रहे थे सावरिया के साथ,
Yeah.
है ना. फिर मालूम था कि इमरान खान आने वाले हैं. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे उभरते हुए सितारे आने वाले हैं. उसमें एक नील नितिन मुकेश कोशिश कर रहा है आने की, है ना, और एक्टर बनने की. तो वहां पे मैं जानता था कि भाई मुझे एक ही मौका मिलने वाला है लाइफ में. तो जितना मुझे जाने तू या जाने ना मुझे स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगी थी, मैं अब्बास टायरवाला के सामने बैठा भी और मैंने ऑडिशन भी दिया. बट मैं जानता हूँ मैंने अपना पूरे
You didn't give it 100%.
मैंने
But that's also because you wanted.
क्योंकि और फिर झामू जी हंस पड़े. झामू जी के ऑफिस में ही हम थे और झामू जी हंस पड़े जब मैंने उनसे कहा सर मुझे प्लीज जॉनी गद्दार. तो उन्होंने बेट लगाई थी अपने उस समय मैनेजर थे कि देखा मैंने बोला ना इसको जॉनी गद्दार ही करनी है.
Which is that film that you really wanted to do? You cracked the audition on also, but because of your look, you got rejected.
नहीं, so luckily I haven't auditioned for anything that I haven't done.
हाँ.
You know, up until now at least, and I haven't been rejected for anything basis of my look. After being tested for something.
Okay.
Means I'll mold myself enough to convince my director.
Yeah.
Like okay, why go far? We're talking about jail. Mother was very concerned, yeah. Okay, you know, we are going into a very realistic space, Neil. You're just too good looking. You know, you'll probably stand out a lot. You know, you have this very Western vibe about you. I said, sir, I can guarantee you one thing. Now back then the makeup and the prosthetics and
Very different.
was very subtle and simple.
Yeah.
It wasn't as advanced as what we have today.
Yeah.
But then too, I said, okay, I will blend into Parag Dikshit. I said, I'll make you believe that I'm Parag.
Yeah.
That's my guarantee.
Because
I did Lafange Parinde.
I was literally going to come to that. That was this before Lafange, after Lafange?
Before.
Jail was before Lafange, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Right after New York, before
because
Lafange
you were
Parinde.
so convincing in Lafange Parinde, and again in Lafange you played a very middle class boy.
I'm a boxer. I'm a middle class guy. And वो बोली मेरी lingo.
Yeah, and also
देसी है वैसे.
what I liked about Lafange was that there was another element of skates.
Yes, there was not just skates.
And Deepika played.
Imagine what a complex character.
Yeah.
He's the guy who's also the villain.
Yeah.
He's the reason behind her becoming blind.
Yeah.
And it's a love story. So essentially, Lafange Parinde is a beautiful love story.
It is.
About a guy who's caused the trauma to a girl who only comes to know much later.
Yeah.
So if you see it from that point of view, I thought it was one of the most beautiful love stories of my career. Like New York से ज़्यादा intense अगर love story अगर
it actually is Lafange Parinde.
is Lafange.
True.
New York also I consider as a love story, by the way.
It is a love story though. It is a love story.
It is. because it's about Omar who goes back into Maya's life,
Yeah.
infiltrating in and as an
And
underdog,
realizing that what just happened here, no, damn, it's
betraying
mad.
them, uh, being this undercover guy, unraveling and wanting the best.
Now that I think of it, there have been so many of your films that I've actually watched in the theater.
Yeah,
That now that you're talking about it, like I have a vivid memory of watching New York.
obviously.
And when that song plays, Tune Jo Na
तूने जो
Kaha,
ना
I was
कहा,
like,
yeah.
damn.
So तूने जो ना कहा, लफंगे परिंदे, of course. Then there's Aadhe Ke Zara. So they are all films very different from each other.
Yeah.
Players playing
Yeah.
Spider. As an actor, you need to give your audience a variety of your.
It's like a thali.
है ना, आप गुजराती थाली, correct?
It's like a Gujarati thali.
है ना, you'll have कड़ी भी होगी, मीठा भी होगा, कुछ नमकीन भी होगा, कुछ फीका भी होगा,
Yeah,
कड़वा भी होगा. तो एक थाली में कितनी चीजें परोसनी होती है,
true.
उस हिसाब से आपके
Makes
करियर में ये गुलदस्ता है,
Yeah.
इतनी फिल्मों का.
The last one coming your way. So you spoke about Ik Junoon.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है. What besides what you spoke about, what is that one thing that today, when you actually want to take away at home, being like, bro, this is what I took from the show. What is that one thing?
So apart from the fact that I told you that it's been a big learning arc for me, working with the current days youngsters and technicians and the approach. For me, I've always wanted to know if there's an existence of a time machine that I can go back to my college days and relive those moments.
Yeah, because that's gold. That is gold.
Like Gagan Ahuja is the only character that I say is literally Neil Nitin Mukesh's life. Okay. So for me, when I read the script for the first time, I was like, oh my god, this is like a time machine. I'm going back into time because I have to relive these moments in college.
Yeah.
So everyone who reminisces their past and these moments of their childhood and their college days,
Yeah.
this is that one show that'll be that'll get you so nostalgic.
Yeah.
It's all about the college life. It's about hope. It's about
The drama that you
the
relive.
drama. It's and everyone will identify with some character or the other.
Yeah.
Whether it's Sebi as the underdog, whether it's Siddharth's character, you'll just go with that's Bikram. So Bikram, Sebi, all the other characters that we have, even Pearl for that matter,
Yeah.
Gagan Ahuja, you'll identify with these characters because everyone has their journey.
Yeah.
There are ups, there's downs, there's standing up for each other. Look at us right now, yeah. We've come into such a fast track. Sometimes I wonder that, oh my god, back college days were so relaxed and chill.
Yeah. Life is very different in
There
college.
was nothing, man. It was
is-
so stress free.
it's
Just go to college, be with your
Have
best
fun,
friends,
come
have
back.
fun. Yeah, और देख लेंगे यार, जी लेंगे जिंदगी. अब
Now
हालांकि
life is just happening.
अब हाँ, अब हो रहा है और फिर भी. So for me, that was one big takeaway.
Why you did it?
That while I did did the show, of course I learned a lot, like I said. But my thing was that I'm going to always cherish this as my one, time machine to go back and relive my moments as as a journey of what was the making of Neil.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
Hai Junoon. Yeah.
Perfect. But thank you so much. This
Thanks,
was such a
Aman.
great
Thank you, man.
conversation.
Thank you.
Like I said, you've inspired so many of us with your cinema that it just feels like, damn, this man really has pushed the envelope.
I
in
love
the
you,
truest
man.
sense.
Thank you.
Love you more.
Thank you.
Keep soaring high.
Thank you.
I am hoping to see you super soon.
Yes, sir.
With amazing scripts, amazing shows, amazing films coming your way, because I know you are a
love you, man.
fighter
I
and
love
you'll
you.
come back and emerge victorious all the damn time.
I don't have a choice.
None of us do, right?
I'll see
But
you guys
hoping to see
soon.
you super soon.
Thank you.
Till then, this one is a wrap.